There's Luigi, right there. Oh, he's scared. Mario, help me. Oh, I'm drowning. Oh. Ryan's around here somewhere, and I have no idea where he is. But, yeah. Whose feet is that? Is that Luigi? No, that's Mario? Is it? That's Luigi. Oh, that's so funny. That's Ryan. Amen. I have no idea where Mario is. So, yeah. He must be, like, in here. Let's just close this. Might be in here. If not, then he's in the washing machine, I believe. So behind all these clothes. Nope, he's not there. So he must be in here. Yeah, it's a little bit drowning. So yeah. Wait, that must be Mario. There he is, right there. Okay, now I gotta, I guess, put him in a dryer. It's time to put the clothes in the dryer.
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet.
It sounds like. Okay. Let's take a look one more time. Maybe they just need a rest. So yeah. There they are. Right there. Okay. Thank you for watching.